Welcome to this ultimate Iceland travel guide. We're about to journey through the land of fire and ice, weaving through some of the most iconic places that Iceland has to offer. From the soothing geothermal spas to cascading waterfalls, from stunning landscapes to the celestial spectacle of the Northern Lights. We'll cover 10 incredible locations, each with its own unique allure, capturing the essence of this remarkable island nation. So buckle up as we embark on an Icelandic adventure you won't easily forget. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the Blue Lagoon. This geothermal spa, nestled in the heart of a volcanic landscape, is an oasis that defies the Icelandic chill. The lagoon's warm, milky blue water, rich in minerals like silica and sulfur, is known for its healing properties. It's a surreal experience to soak in these geothermally heated waters while the air around you might be freezing cold. Imagine yourself immersed in this soothing warmth, a soft mist rising around you, and nothing but the stark beauty of volcanic rocks for company. It's not just a dip in a pool, it's a plunge into a different world altogether. The Blue Lagoon also offers a range of spa treatments designed to rejuvenate your body and mind. The lagoon's silica mud mask, for instance, is a must-try. From soothing your skin to your soul, the Blue Lagoon is an experience of a lifetime. At number 9, we have the Golden Circle. This iconic route is a treasure trove of natural wonders, featuring 3 of Iceland's most stunning attractions. First up, Thingvellir National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a place of immense historical and geological significance. It's the site of the world's first parliament, established in the 10th century, and it's where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet, quite literally a gap between 2 continents. Next, we have Geysir, the hot spring area that gave its name to all geysers worldwide. While the original Geysir is asleep, her brother Strokkur erupts every few minutes, shooting water and steam up to 40 meters in the sky. Finally, Gullfoss, or the Golden Waterfall. One of the most powerful waterfalls in Europe, it cascades down 2 tiers into a deep canyon, creating an unforgettable spectacle. The Golden Circle, where nature, history and geology intertwine. Coming in at number 8 is the Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach. Picture this, a beach unlike any other, where the sand underfoot is not golden, but black, a stark contrast to the typically vibrant beaches we're accustomed to. This is Reynisfjara, the renowned black sand beach of Iceland. The beach is a spectacle of natural wonder, carved by the relentless force of the roaring Atlantic waves. These waves crash against the shore, creating a rhythmic symphony that is as captivating as the visual allure of the beach itself. Rising from the beach are towering cliffs, majestic and imposing. They stand as silent sentinels, watching over the beach and adding to its unique charm. Reynisfjara is not just a beach, it's a testament to the raw, untamed power of nature. Every grain of its black sand, every crash of its mighty waves, and every stone of its towering cliffs tell a story. A visit to Reynisfjara promises a stark, beautiful contrast that's hard to forget. At number 7, we take you to the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Here, the world seems to stand still, frozen in time. The lagoon is a sprawling expanse of icy blue, dotted with floating icebergs like sculptures carved by Mother Nature herself. They glisten in shades of white and blue, each one unique, each one a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Iceland. Jökulsárlón is more than just a canvas of ice and water. It's a living ecosystem. If you look closely enough, you might catch a glimpse of seals basking on the ice or gliding through the water. They seem right at home in this chilly paradise, their playful antics adding a touch of warmth to the icy landscape. Every visit to Jökulsárlón is an adventure, an invitation to marvel at the wonders of nature. Whether the icebergs are bathed in the glow of the midnight sun or cloaked in the darkness of a winter's night, the view is always breathtaking. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, a frozen spectacle that's truly mesmerizing. Halfway through our countdown at number 6, we have the Northern Lights. Also known as Aurora Borealis, this phenomenon is a vibrant, ethereal display of colors dancing across the night sky. The best time to witness this spectacle is during the dark winter months, from September to March, when the nights are longest. The science behind these lights is as fascinating as the spectacle itself. They're caused by collisions between gaseous particles in the Earth's atmosphere and charged particles from the sun. The different colors are due to the type of gas particles involved. What makes the Northern Lights a must-see for any traveler? Well, it's not just about the lights, it's about the whole experience. The anticipation, the cold, the dark, and then the sudden burst of color. It's a reminder of our planet's place in the universe and the unseen forces at work. The Northern Lights, a celestial ballet that leaves you spellbound. At number 5, we have the Seljalandsfoss waterfall. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill waterfall. Seljalandsfoss is a unique spectacle of nature that offers an experience like no other. It's not just about the water cascading down from a height of over 60 meters. It's also about the opportunity to walk behind the waterfall. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine stepping behind the curtain of water, feeling the mist on your skin, and hearing the thunderous roar of the waterfall echoing around you. It's an experience that brings you up close and personal with the raw power and beauty of nature. And let's not forget the stunning views you get from behind the waterfall, a perspective you won't find anywhere else. It's a sight that will leave you speechless, a moment that will stay with you long after your Iceland adventure. Seljalandsfoss waterfall, where you can witness the raw power and beauty of nature. Coming in at number 4 is the Vatnajökull National Park. This majestic park, spanning over a whopping 14% of Iceland, is a symphony of natural wonders. It's like a great artist's palette, with a diverse landscape that includes ice caves, volcanoes, and stunning glacial rivers. Imagine the thrill of exploring the largest ice cap in Europe, Vatnajökull, or the awe-inspiring sight of the highest mountain in Iceland, Vatnajökull. The park's terrain is a playground for adventure seekers, offering activities like glacier hiking, ice caving, and even super jeep tours. But it's not all adrenaline and adventure. The park also offers serene, soul-soothing experiences. Take a tranquil walk along the Skaftafell Nature Reserve, or simply sit back and enjoy the mesmerizing view of the ice cap melting into the sea at Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. And let's not forget the volcanoes. The park is home to some of the country's most active volcanoes, including Grímsvötn and Bardarbunga, offering a unique window into the raw power of nature. Vatnajökull National Park, a testament to Iceland's diverse and dramatic landscapes. At number 3, we have the Skogafoss waterfall. Nestled in the heart of Iceland's dramatic landscape, this awe-inspiring waterfall is a spectacle to behold. Plunging down from a dizzying height of 60 meters, Skogafoss is one of the biggest waterfalls in the country, boasting a width of 25 meters. Its grandeur is not its only claim to fame. Skogafoss is also shrouded in a captivating legend. It is said that behind the waterfall, a treasure chest is hidden. The story goes that the first Viking settler in the area, Thraci Thorolfsson, concealed his gold in a chest and left it behind the waterfall. Over time, this tale has added an enchanting aura of mystery to Skogafoss. So whether you're a fan of natural beauty, a lover of folklore, or on a quest for hidden treasure, Skogafoss has something for you. Skogafoss, a towering spectacle that's sure to leave you in awe. Our runner-up at number 2 is the city of Reykjavik. Reykjavik is a city that's bursting with life, a place where the echoes of the past harmonize with the rhythm of the future. A walk through its streets reveals a vibrant nightlife where music and laughter fill the air. By day, the city's cultural scene thrives, with galleries, museums, and coffee houses dotting the cityscape. But it's not all about the here and now. Reykjavik's architecture is a testament to its rich history. Traditional wooden houses stand shoulder to shoulder with sleek modern buildings, creating a skyline that's a feast for the eyes. Reykjavik, a city that perfectly blends modernity with tradition. And finally, at number 1, we have the Snæfellsnes Peninsula. This fascinating region is a microcosm of the entire country, earning it the nickname Iceland in miniature. It boasts a diverse array of landscapes all in one place, from rugged mountains to sweeping coastlines, volcanic craters to verdant valleys, and charming fishing villages to spellbinding lava fields. But the true crown jewel of the peninsula is the Snæfellsjökull Glacier, a majestic ice-capped stratovolcano that dominates the landscape and captures the imagination. It's a sight that's as breathtaking as it is memorable. This peninsula also holds a special place in the hearts of literature lovers, as it served as the setting for Jules Verne's classic novel Journey to the Center of the Earth. So whether you're a nature lover, a thrill seeker, or a bookworm, there's something for everyone on the Snæfellsnes Peninsula. Snæfellsnes Peninsula, a place that encapsulates all that's enchanting about Iceland. And there you have it, our top 10 ultimate Iceland destinations. From the healing waters of the Blue Lagoon to the geological wonders of the Golden Circle, the stark beauty of Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach, and the ethereal Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. The celestial dance of the Northern Lights and the cascading majesty of Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss waterfalls, the diverse landscapes of Vatnajökull National Park and the vibrant city life of Reykjavik, and finally the captivating Snæfellsnes Peninsula where the land meets the sea in dramatic fashion. Each place a unique chapter in Iceland's story, each deserving of a spot on your bucket list. Iceland, a land of fire and ice, awaits your discovery. Farewell until our next travel adventure.